Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Ian Willis from the Loung Viddioz. I'm here to show you today just a little bit of the training on how to use the templates from the Loung Viddioz. It's not that difficult, it's pretty simple. This is a cloud-based template video software. So basically you can make your logo animations, your video animations with small video clips. You can create lower thirds that can go on to short video clips, live video clips, and so much more. There's over 1,500 video templates to use, and they come in different things. There's lots of different options. So what I'm going to do very quickly is just choose something here. Once I can get this working, 1 second. Go here and then come back. There we go. So now I'm just going to choose something. I'm going to choose something very simple. So as you can see, as I hold over it, as I just scroll over it, you can actually see if you look closely, you can see the lower third actually working. Now this will go on to the bottom of a live video clip. Just like this, you could add to a video clip as a lower third. You can place it anywhere in the video to give information to your viewers about the particular video. Here's a message clip called chain reaction. So this ball is going to go through a lot of different steps before it goes to the final point, which would be your logo animation. But you could place your message or your text here so that people viewing this video could actually see it. This is one of my favorites, where your logo actually lifts from the page, and it's 3D, which is one of my favorites. So what we're going to do is I'm going to choose something here. Just going to look around. Again, you have over 1,500 different video templates that you can utilize, and they also come in different formats. So for portrait, you could use this for, say, Instagram stories or TikTok. Landscape, this is for Facebook and so forth. And then you have a square ratio, which you can use for informational videos, as well as you could use this on LinkedIn. So we're going to, and depending on the speed of which my speed is a little slow today. Depending on your internet speed, how it opens up can take a little bit of time or not. But again, I'm only on page 2 of 128 different templates. On page 2, there's all these different templates, but up to page 128. So that means you have a lot of different templates to choose from. You can also choose the different types of templates you may want to use. We have alpha, which these are alphas. Let me go to alpha and try and bring up the alpha. The rest these are background, extended, intro videos, live action. We actually have actors that are going through different scenes, and within the scene is where you can actually implant your images and text. But also there's going to be training. We're also going to do some training where we're going to show you how to add live video clips to these video animation clips. Right? So there's live action, there's logos, which is like the ones we showed you before, outro, overlays, social media, titles. So show you titles. Titles are all based on just large title print going in. So let's go back to all templates, because so I'm going to try and refresh my screen here and get things moving along, hopefully. So And right now I am on my personal, I'm on a user account. This is what your account will look like when you purchase this. This is exactly what your account will look like. You'll have all these different options, as well as this. When you render a video, that means the computer or the software is actually creating the video. So you'll be able to render 3 videos at once at the exact same time. You can start one video once you go through the create process. Once you get to the create section and hit create, which I'll show you in just a second, then you can go on and create a second and a third one. Now, based on your subscription, you'll have a certain number of videos that you can create throughout the month. So let's just do something really simple. It's just this flag. I love the flag logo animation. It's one of the ones I use for one of the other businesses. And so once this loads up, so I'm going to come back in just a second once it loads up. So just stand by. All right, so here we are. It started back up. This is what it's going to look. This gives you an idea of what exactly it's going to look like. So here is where you can load your logo for your business, or you could actually add words. You could go into, say, Canva and print out words and erase the background so that it's only the words or only your logo, which is what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to upload from my computer, and I'm going to go to pictures, here to logos. I'm going to pull all the way down, and I'm going to load the Loung Viddioz template, Viddioz logo. So there it is. As you can see, it has a clear background, which means the background has been erased. And this is for people who don't understand what a PNG or this is just to simplify the terms. So here we go. Hit continue. I'm going to change the color of the flag from this dark purple to black. And this is the color that the flag is going to end up, and my logo is going to end up right here. So we hit continue. I don't want any music with it. I don't want any music to play with it. So, well, actually, I'm going to let the music stay. We're going to let the music stay. So you have music that's default music that we've picked. And you could get rid of the music if you don't want it. You can leave it. This is what the music sounds like. Very, very presidential, or you could choose one of the other clips, where it's simply the sound of the flag blowing in the wind. So as you see, we have different audio that you can use. All right, so I'm going to leave the very first one, and we're going to hit preview. So now when we hit preview, what's going to happen is the software is going to create a visual preview of what the end result is going to look like. And so in this screen here, you'll see the actual video without it running. It'll be a clip of it, and down here will be the clips of what the video will look like step by step. So we're going to pause again, and we'll be back as soon as it's done. All right, so video is done. As you can see, this is what the primary video looks like, and we can come down here. So this is this clip here. So when I go to the second clip, it shows you a little further along in the video and what it's going to look like. Same with this one and this one. So again, if there's something that's wrong, you'll see it here. And this is where you can go back, say to here, or to the video, or to the actual images that you're using, or to the color, and you can make all of those corrections at that point. So I'm going to go ahead and create the video. And so right now it's rendering. which means the software is actually creating this video for you. So we're going to pause again here, and I'm going to come back as soon as it's done so we can see the final and finished result. All right, guys, so the video is done. As you can see, it's ready for me to download. So all I have to do is hit download. It's going to give me let me know that this is going to be downloaded in an MP4 format, which is that's the default format for most video players. So this way it will play on any video player, to play on any computer, on any phone, because MP4 is the standard for video formats. So download, screen changes, and now it's starting to download. Shouldn't take but a couple of seconds to fully download. So we'll come back once it's completely downloaded, and then we'll let you see the end result. Right, so as you can see, the video is done downloading. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this video up so you guys can take a look and see what it actually looks like. So you see, it looks amazing. Everything blends. This is a high quality video that you can use for this high quality video animation that you can use for your social media. You can place this on your website. You could actually attach this. There's software that you can use to attach this to an email. There's software that you can use to where you can link this into an email and say, send someone just a very small message like, our special starts tomorrow. Use one of the text templates and just say 10% off your next purchase. Connect this to an email where they click onto a separate link, and there you go. Now you can send out specials and discounts to customers that you have started on your email list, that are on your email list. Start an email list with some of your customers, get their email information, and then you can send them out coupons or 10% with this code, and just put in a code in the text and say come in and say 10% off the lounge, and they get 10% off their next purchase. And it's an easy way and a very effective way to keep in contact with your customers, potential customers, and to grow your business. So again, I'm going to play it one more time just so you can see it, see the quality. So we're going to close this out. And so since it's here, I could download it again and just load it onto my computer and use it for whatever I need to use it for. Here is another that I'll show you very quickly. And I'll come back once this has downloaded, and I'll show you what this one looks like. It's a logo animation. Okay, well, my computer is having a bit of a problem and it wouldn't let me download it. But you saw the other one, and that is the quality of what you'll be receiving with our video template. Again, you can use whatever video template you like. We have, again, a huge selection of over 1,500 video templates and lower thirds, screens that you can use to promote your business in any type of way you need. So I just want to thank you for this. I've been talking long enough. This video is just one of the training videos that we will be releasing over the next month. So hope to see you soon and talk to you soon.